राजस्थान में होने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव से पहले कांग्रेस नेता व विधायक सचिन पायलट ने बड़ा दावा किया है। सचिन पायलट ने अपने बयान में कहा, युवाओं के भविष्य के मुद्दे पेपर लीक जैसे मुद्दे जरूरी हैं और मुझे खुशी है कि राजस्थान सरकार ने एक कानून पारित किया है कि जिसमें जो लोग पेपर लीक मामले में शामिल हैं उन्हें आजीवन कारावास की सजा होगी। देश में ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है जहां कोई राज्य सरकार इतनी सख्ती बरत रही है। 4 से 5 राज्यों में चुनाव है। CWC की बैठक हैदराबाद में हुई है, जिससे देश में एक अलग संदेश मिला है। पायलट ने अपने बयान में आगे कहा, राजस्थान की एक भविष्यवाणी रही है। यहाँ पर हर 5 वर्षों में सरकार बदलती है, लेकिन इस बार लोगों के मन में बदलाव है और मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में फिर से कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी। कांग्रेस कभी किसी एक चेहरे पर निर्भर नहीं रही है। हम एक पार्टी के उद्देश्य के साथ चलते हैं। हमारे वरिष्ठ राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी, खरगे जी नेतृत्व करेंगे। हम एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं। जीत के बाद पार्टी यह तय करेगी कि मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा और इसी तरह से पहले भी निर्णय लिए गए हैं।
I think the issue of young people, their future is very important. The issue of paper leak that came up in the state is also very important. And I'm glad that once we raise the issue, the government of Rajasthan has actually now passed a law where they made people who are involved in paper leak, their punishment is now being extended to life imprisonment. It's the first time anywhere in the country where government's taken a strict action. I think we need to be very, very cautious that young people's lives and their futures are not put in danger, and their education, their examinations are of utmost importance. So we're very, very careful how we move in that direction. Corruption is a major issue. I think the government has acted whenever they found issues of corruption. Anywhere we find people involved in corruption, no matter how high a position they hold, we must take quick action. And elections, of course, are in 4 or 5 states. But the working committee meeting being held in Telangana, in Hyderabad, has sent a very different message across the country. The 2-day meetings were very, very constructive. And Rajasthan has a tradition of last 30 years where every 5 years there's a government change. But this time there's a change in the mood of the people. And I think in the election that happened in 2 months later on, Rajasthan Congress party will form the government again. So Congress traditionally has never gone in with one face. We go as a party, we go as a united party. Our top leadership will lead the campaign from the front. Rahul ji, Sonia ji, Kharge ji will lead the campaign. We'll all work together. And has it been the tradition in the Congress for decades that we fight the election unitedly. Once we get the mandate, then the newly elected MLAs and the party leadership decide as to who will lead the government. And that happened in 2018. It will happen again next time. It is nothing new. It is the old tradition that we fight unitedly. And post-election, the leadership and the MLAs decide who will lead the government. Well, I think time will tell. The people of Telangana have given 2 chances to the BRS to perform. Now it is up to the people to decide again who will lead the government. I think the rally yesterday was historic. The Congress government in Karnataka has delivered on its promises of that we made to the people. Telangana also, what we announced yesterday, we will deliver as soon as we form the government. But this time there is a change. The BJP has pulled out of the contest, I think. So the Congress party is on a comeback. And I think in Telangana we will see a Congress government also.
बता दें कि सचिन पायलट ने इससे पहले कहा था कि पार्टी राजस्थान विधानसभा चुनाव एकजुट होकर लड़ेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि अगली सरकार को नेतृत्व कौन करेगा, इसका निर्णय नवनिर्वाचित विधायकों के साथ आलकमान परामर्श के बाद तय करेगा। वीडियो डेस्क अमरउजाला.com।
अमर उजाला अब आपके टीवी पर भी। अपने स्मार्ट टीवी पर YouTube पर सर्च करें अमर उजाला, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और देखें ताजा खबरें, वो भी HD क्वालिटी में। और हाँ, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हर खबर हो आपके घर। अमर उजाला, निष्पक्ष, निर्भीक, निरंतर।